Hi everyone, here is a walkthrough of how to create an accessible homepage. All right, so you want to log into Canvas, go into your Sandbox course, and click the Edit button on your homepage. Once you're here, you can go ahead and delete the default text that we provide for you, and you want to enter your own information, and this is outlined in the assignment instructions. But essentially, you need your course name, a description, how to get started, and then your own name and contact information, as well as your response time. So once you have that entered, let's go ahead and format for accessibility, starting with headings. So you want to go ahead and highlight the text of anything you want to make a heading, and you click the paragraph menu, and then choose header 2. You always start with heading level 2 when you're formatting in Canvas. So go ahead and do all of those. All right, and that's it. Looking beautiful already. So next up are lists. So I'm going to go ahead and make my contact information into a list. Simply highlight the 2 items and then go up here and click the bulleted list icon, or numbers, depends on if your information is in numeric order or not. I'm going to choose bullets, and there it is, a bulleted list. Okay, next up is links. So you want to practice entering a meaningful link. So this works in a similar fashion. Let's say I wanted to add a link to my Cabrillo instructor page, right? My salsa page. So I would highlight the text that I want to make into a link. And here I can either use the link to URL icon, or I can do a trick, which I like to do, pressing Control K on my keyboard. And on a Mac, that would be Command K, I believe. And this brings up a menu where I can paste in my link and then set it to open in a new window, and OK. And there is my link. And another thing that you can do if you'd like is to link to another page in your own course. And so if I highlight, for example, Q&A discussion, and I want to link over to my discussion board in Canvas, I just highlight it, come to the right menu, click discussions, and then click on my discussion. And there's another meaningful link that's been entered on my page. Perfect, right? And so the last thing we want to have you try is to insert an image with alt text. And there are so many ways to insert an image on a page. Let me show you a couple. Let's say I want to do one of myself below my information. I like to use the images menu on the right. You might also use this embed image icon. But if I click images on the right, you'll see that I do already have one of myself uploaded. Let me show you what that looks like. If I click on that, it inserts it on the page, and it's really huge. So if you want to edit your image once it's been inserted, click on it. See how it's highlighted? And then click Embed Image, the icon. That'll pull up your menu. And I can make this much, much smaller than it is, okay, by changing the dimensions. And you'll notice the alt text is here, and it is not accessible right now. It's the file name, which is incorrect. I'm going to change that to something more descriptive. Aloha in her office at the library with colorful children's art. And then click Update. And there's my image on the page, and it has alt text. And then another way that you might do it is just upload a picture directly from your computer. And that's the Upload a New Image button, and navigate to your file. So choose File, and then find the image that you'd like to upload. And if you do it this way, you have to enter the alt text before it will even let you upload the image, okay? So they're really trying to help you out. So enter something descriptive again. Cabrillo Library Shelves is a good one for me. And click Upload. And it puts the image right there on the page, again with alt text. So click Save when you're all done. And there you have it, a beautifully formatted homepage fully accessible. Not so hard, right? All right, have fun and good luck.